Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on how to handle T-SQL error code using try catch block. Okay, in SQL Server you can handle errors using this try catch block. So which is very similar to error handling like in other programming languages. So first I am writing syntax. So syntax for try catch block. So every try catch block starts with begin try, end try. So in between you can write your SQL code. Okay. Immediately begin catch, end catch. So you can use some system functions to get error details. So try block is completely for error code, SQL code, and catch block is get to know the error details once after completing the error. Okay. So some system functions are there. We can use error underscore message, error underscore line, error severity, error state, error number. So these are the different system functions. Except error message, the rest of these functions are integers. So error message is varchar. Okay. First I will show one example how to handle the errors. So begin try, end try. So here I am declaring one variable. At num is my variable name, integer is data. I am setting the value at num equal to 10 by 0. Okay, obviously it throws error. So no number can be divided with 0. Okay, immediately I am writing begin catch, end catch. So in this I am writing some messages, some system functions. Okay, print error message, error message. So here I am using error underscore message system function. Okay, next print error line. So I am using convert this error line into varchar. Error line as varchar. Okay. Next, print error number. Okay. Again, I am using cast varchar. Okay. Print error state. Cast error state as varchar. Okay. Next, print error line, error number, error state, error severity, error severity. Okay, using cast error severity as So all these are functions. Okay, I am applying these functions here. Okay, if you run the query, if you run this code, so you will get error because no number can be divided with 0. Okay, you got the error message. Divide by 0 and counted. This is the error message. So in which line the error get happened? In line number 3. See here, in line number 3, after setting the value, while doing the calculation, you got the error. This is the error number. Okay, third one is error number. Error state is 1, error severity is 16. So this is how you can handle. So by using these system functions, we came to know the details of the error. Obviously, comment these 3 lines. Okay, we want only first 2 lines are important: error message and error line. Okay, so these two are very important. Now, so I will give one more example. So here the employee table, there are 6 rows are there. If you see the structure of the table, schema structure of the table, varchar column with 10 length. Okay. Now I am trying to insert one row into the table. Okay, using try catch block. So begin, try, and try. Okay. So in between I am writing my insert statement. Insert into this table. Insert into this table. Okay, values. There are 3 columns are there. I am inserting the 7th record. Once again, this name column has a 10 length. So here I am inserting, okay, more than 10. More than 10. Obviously, it throws error. Okay, and department ID is 1. So I am inserting 3 values between begin try and end try. Now I am writing catch block. Begin catch, end catch. So here I am writing print the message insertion gets failed. Insertion get failed due to, okay, so here I am using error message, error underscore message. Okay, next print. So I want to print check the line. So I am using system function called cast of error underscore line as varchar. Okay, now end catch. So I am using try block and catch block for inserting the records into the table. Okay, once you execute, so 0 rows are affected. So the error message, see the error message. Insertion get failed due to string or binary data would be truncated name call. Okay, that means, so this happened because of the length problem. Actually, the name column has only 10 length, but we are passing here more than 10 length. So that is why it is getting error. And second is check the line. Line number 3. You got the error in line number 3. Okay. So this is how you need to get the error messages and get the details of the errors using try block and catch block. Okay, so without try there is no catch block, without catch there is no try block. both are interlinked and you can use simultaneously to handle the errors. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.